also get the new iPhone 16 Pro, 4 of them for the entire family when you trade in up to 4 phones from our top brands. That's a new phone forever.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back, Snooky J Outdoors. Seems like this is the norm. You see me early in the morning, barely see me driving to somewhere. So, that is the truth. We are on our way out hunting again, the turkeys. March pretty much inundates my life with turkey hunting, so. But yeah, back on a mission again. Haven't really got a turkey myself this year, so trying to make that happen. Meeting up with a guy that I've never hunted with, but I've talked with for several years, and actually let him hunt this spot one time or twice now because we ran into each other and we both love this spot so much, and his kids hunt with him and my kids hunt with me. So one year we ran into him and he had his son with him, and we let them hunt the spot, and they killed a bird there. And same thing this year, youth season, we came out and my daughter was there and he showed up, and I told him, y'all go ahead and hunt that spot, and they killed a bird there too. So he's hopefully, I feel like today will be my turn out there. It's been a while. I can't say I've never killed a bird on this spot. It's just been a few years since I've done it. A couple years ago I shot a nice gobbler on the same stretch of road where or these pictures are that I keep showing y'all of this bird. So yeah, they're in there. They're just tough. They're not easy birds. They are very skittish, and but they're in there and they like to gobble. And it's kind of a foggy morning, as you saw me coming through the toll booth there, but hopefully that'll have them gobbling. It did a couple days ago. Kind of got out here and it was foggy, and they didn't mind it at all, so we'll see how it goes. But sorry about that. I'm trying to drive over here. I don't want to try to pass this car. Oh shit, I'm about to get rocked over here with trucks and driving at 5 in the morning out here. People can't drive even on the highway, so yeah. Anyway, I'll be there probably in about 20 minutes to the spot, and the plan is to get on them turkeys. So like I said, meeting my buddy Steve out here, and I think his son's coming with him, so I wouldn't be too mad if his son shot a turkey, because I know that boys like hunting and they're young, so I get it. But if I get the chance and one walks in front of my path, I'd like to think it's gonna be on, so try to get me a turkey this year. So alright, y'all, well, I'll be there soon, and I will see y'all when we get in the woods, when the sun's coming up and the whippoorwills are whipping and the birds are singing and the gobblers are gobbling. So see y'all out there in the woods later. Super quiet morning out here. Haven't heard a bird gobbling. They've been gobbling like crazy at the spot the last couple weeks. I don't know what's going on. Today's a weird day. It's gonna be one of them weird days. See how it pans out. we should set up here and back out there where, like on that main road area. Like,
If you've seen it,
I feel like they frequent that main road area.
in my head, I'm like all this foliage, all this cypress trees.
But they always make their way back to that road.
You've always seen them.
They always make.
They're middle.
I think that's where we come. Just saying, if we don't hear a gobbler, we should go set up there.
Yeah, I agree, dude.
Because they just frequent that road. It's like we call that the crossroads, and them fuckers are always like that's where them turkeys went that day. So I just feel like we need to be there because we have a good chance of catching them.
Yeah.
They use that road, bro.
We'll go there.
Alright, cool.
For sure.
Fucking skeeters are a little thicker this morning. Beautiful out here, huh? Fucking big field out here.
This is beautiful.
I've always wanted to kill a turkey out here, actually. Just I feel like, you know, like set up on the edge of this, anywhere in the cypress, bring them into that field, have the decoys, boom.
It looks like something
It
out of a
does.
story.
It does, dude.
Right?
It does.
So pretty.
Looking back toward the east. Beautiful sunrise.
Cypress trees as small as these?
Not
The
really that
roosted or
small.
the
No,
bigger
these are
ones?
the bigger ones. That one little strand, they're not this small.
Yeah.
But they're smaller than these big ones. But yeah, they roost in that strand all the time for whatever reason. And those aren't, like you said, huge trees. I mean, the trees those hens were in the other day were fucking big cypresses. Like real tall. She was up at the top of that thing just fucking looking like who the fuck's out here. It's last weekend of turkey season down here in South Florida. Kind of close to Miami and Fort Lauderdale where we hunt. This is it. I've still yet to get a turkey myself this year. Called in with my buddy, like I said, at the beginning of the year, but I was opening weekend. Since then, we've been on turkeys just about every trip out here, but still ain't getting them, so gonna see what happens this morning. Hopefully I can hear a bird gobble. I'm up here kind of deep. I wanted to get up in here pretty deep this morning and see if I can get them, so that's the plan. See if we can hear one gobble here in a minute. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Just need to hear that turkey gobble. It's just starting to get light. Perfect time for turkeys to gobble. Alright, y'all. I'll get back to you later. I got a hen right here. Like, I can almost grab her. Come around right now. morning, y'all. Welcome back to Snooky J Outdoors. It is April 6th, and that means it's the last day of turkey season here in South Florida. So we're gonna sit here and see if we can get them. We're gonna get out here and try to get one. It's been a tough year for me. I've been on birds all year. Just they've been outsmarting me. That's how it goes sometimes. This is a tough place to hunt, and birds get pressured hard. So, but with that said, we're still gonna try to get in there. It's not we, it's me. Solo trip today. Went to the fair last night with my girls. Had a good time. I'll get to show you all some pig races and stuff like that. But in the meantime, getting ready to go in here to the store, grab me some ice and some drinks, and I'm heading out to the woods to see if I can hear a turkey gobble. Hopefully we can find one. So wish me luck. And heading to Georgia here in maybe a week or two. I got to figure out my dates, but I'm gonna go up there and do some turkey hunting too. So I'll get back to y'all when I get that set up. But anyway, going to go out here and try to get me an Osceola. This year's been a tough year, so wish me luck. Like I said, I'm gonna get on it. It's early, 6:11, and we're gonna get on it. So, all right, boys, girls, see ya. Quiet morning again, of course. Last day of the season. Ain't heard nothing. I'm gonna get set up here in this little sandy area, but couldn't help but take in that sunrise real quick. That was beautiful. So I'm gonna set up here soon and hopefully hear something or see something at least. Maybe they'll come in silent this morning. Ain't heard nothing though. Alright, later. Just in case y'all are wondering, we walked about 40 miles back in here. That's the 40-mile marker on that cypress. Just kidding. That's so random though. Big old sign out here like that in the middle of nowhere. Trust me when I tell you, I'm miles up in here. Alright, see y'all. man, thank you, Lord. Last day of the season. Sitting here getting the turkey down. Finally, dude, finally. Oh my God. Hard work. I've been putting in work all year round down here, trying to get this shit done. And finally, that bastard came. I knew it. I knew it was going to come together today. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was going to come together today. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I knew that joker was in here. I heard him gobble one time early this morning. He gobbled one time this morning, or twice. And I started way the fuck north of here and didn't have a good feeling about it, and said, you know what? I'm going to try to work my way back south and get to the spot where I know there's turkeys. I got here, saw 2 coyotes right off the bat, heard the bird gobble twice. He knew he was back over in the cypress head behind me. I kind of went around. I was like, I don't know, it looks thick in here. I think he's going to come around like he did. He came around. I knew he was going to come here. I knew he was going to come here. Thank God I listened to my instinct. That joker. Fuck, finally, bird down, man. Wow. Sorry, buddy. I mean, it's a bittersweet because turkey season coming to an end. It's coming to an end, but man, what a long grind. I've been trying to get one of these Osceolas, man. Look at that bird. He's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, man. I know. I don't even like killing animals, but this joker, I haven't even been hunting this spot. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Man, what a beautiful bird. Oh my God. Finally. Oh my God, finally. My decoys are right there. He was coming in to check them out. I thought they might scare him away. Oh man, what a bird. Thank you, Lord. I can't even explain it. Thank you, Lord. Oh man, that's a wonderful thing. What's up, y'all? I only got a couple minutes to talk because my phone's about to die, but got it done this morning. Finally, last day of the season. I have a little smoke here, and Dave Owens is honor. Listen, I don't know you, Dave, but I've watched your videos, and for the last few years, I've been hunting big cypress most of my life, but really started getting into turkey hunting about 7-8 years ago real hard. I thought I was a turkey hunter when I was young. I didn't know no better. I wasn't turkey hunting until I started watching videos of you and a couple other guys that hunt in public, and realized that dedication, patience, boots on the ground, miles walking in the woods, you know, all to chase these birds here is a wonderful thing. But I can't explain how good it feels when you finally get one like this. And I've been grinding all year this year, and put my buddy on one opening day. Really didn't get any good footage and anything like that, and not even any pictures or nothing. He took off back to North Carolina and with his bird, but we got it done. Not we, me. I'm here by myself solo today, and it's bittersweet, like I said, because the end of the season, one bird less out here that's not going to be clucking and gobbling around out here, but still, like I said, thank you, Lord. It's a beautiful day. It was a beautiful morning, Sunday. This is church right here, man. This is why I do it right here. So, beautiful bird. gorgeous as it could be. Sorry, buddy. But just got the old trusty 12 gauge there. But just a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bird. And just want to thank the Lord again for letting me get out here and enjoy what He has to offer for us. And thanks for another good turkey season, because we finally finished it out here in South Florida, down here for the Osceolas. Finally got one for the end of the year. So like I said, thank you. But get back to the truck here, clean this bird. Well, I'm gonna take it home and show the girls, and they'll be excited because they know how hard of a grind I've been going all year trying to get one. So all right, let me get this bird home. What's up, y'all? Kind of want to recap. Had a great hunting season this year. We're finishing it up, doing a little captain on the water here. Beautiful, beautiful sunset out there. See, but finally got a turkey. And on the water. Been a great season. Thank you, Lord, for letting us get out there and be safe with all my buddies. We grinded hard this year, but last day of the season finally got on it. Anyways, closing out 2025 spring turkey season down here in Florida, South Florida. And as you see, got the bird. It was a 9th inning, 3 balls, 2 strikes, but the bird went down today, so it was a tough hunt. But persistence and patience paid off, buddy, because I heard that bird gobble twice this morning. Got real patient, kind of played chess. I was starting to go chase him, go through this thick, swampy stuff that I knew he might be in. I'm like, you know what, let me go back to the road. He's gonna come around, he ain't gonna come through that thick stuff. He's gonna come right down this road. 45 minutes later, he came down that road, so the rest is history. I really appreciate y'all watching Snooky J Outdoors. It's only gonna keep getting better from here. I gotta start getting me a better camera where I can video these hunts. Turkey hunting's pretty intense. You really gotta have your shit set up pretty good, so that's going to be the next thing I do. So I'll get back to y'all next year. Actually going to Georgia here soon, so I'll let y'all know how that goes. I'll get with y'all soon. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, comment, tell me everything about it, please. And I'll send it out with this right here. Yeah, buddy. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.